You should send me offers with appliances as well. Thermostat could be updated. It's really looking good in here, man. It's smelling good. Fixtures are not, you know, outdated. It could be updated, but they are not outdated. I'm gonna take you around back. So, take you around back, come outside, and grill area. Yeah, this has definitely been taken care of. Really good, and he's been using this too. All of this wet bar is intact. He's been using this grill as well. Structurally on the outside, screens good. We're good here. Shingles good, nothing missing. Foundation starts here. Oh yeah, he did an outstanding job here. Outstanding job here. That's exterior lighting, looks like goes all the way around. Still good here. Looks like that may have been replaced at some point, but definitely on time because I still see no leaks. That's storage there for the pillows, for the outside area. Got storage here. The fence could be, but I'm sure he'll fix that for you. I'm definitely sure he'll fix that for you. All right. So now let me see what other extras we got here. Is there any kind of water softeners or is there anything like that? But yeah, foundation, I give it a 10. The plumbing, I'm 10 all the way around. All the toilets flush. All of the sinks on working condition. The roof, I give it a 10 just because it has been maintained and it's 13 years old. Looks really, really good. That's only a structural issue because he hit the house with the truck, so there's not any foundation issues. That was just some damage from an incident. So I say, all in all, I give this one, for investment, I give this one a 10. I give this one a 10, and I'm a hard grader. I would say a 9, only because I don't know what you could do with that, but that's not gonna not sell this house. This house is gonna sell.